So also on this bench or in this area are a lot of handheld small type tools that we use for different attribute or dimensional analyses. So we have all sorts of hand-based gauges for measuring things like thickness. This is a digimatic indicator for depth evaluation. We have a hardmatic for durometer, or a durometer rather, for hardness readings on different things like plastics and rubbers, etc. So all of our hand-based measurements, all of that equipment is typically performed or stored on this side of the laboratory. This piece of equipment here, this is very similar, something that we would use for dimensional analysis, although it is a much more complicated, complex, much more complicated machine that also brings a lot of efficiency to what we do in the lab here. So this here is our Keyence IM inspection machine for dimensional analysis. Essentially, this is an optical comparator and a video microscope put into one. So we use this for dimensionally characterizing package components, whether that be rubber stoppers or a vial or a cap for a plastic bottle. And right now, we're working with a few custom fixtures specifically for auto-injector and needle safety device components. So for a lot of our clients that are either developing new delivery devices or package systems, or as part of our clients' incoming inspection, etc., taking some of those samples that they receive, checking critical dimensions and releasing a report that says they're all in tolerance is a critical part of the overall quality and control process. So this machine here allows us to place up to, let's say, 50 components, press a single button, and measure any dimensions that we want about that sample. So rather than taking one bottle or one vial at a time, placing it on the stage of an optical comparator, wheeling it into focus, lining things up to take your individual measurement, and then changing the orientation and focus to take the next measurement, this machine does it all in a single click. So it really is an efficiency boon for both us and our clients for incoming inspection, where they're looking for quick results, quick turnarounds, so they can release those materials into their manufacturing facility.